Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Excel file and focusing on the sheets you want to export. First, highlight the range and set the print area so only necessary cells are included. Then switch to page layout, pick orientation and paper size, and apply scaling such as fit sheet on one page to control layout. Once done, use Page Break Preview to confirm where pages split. This prevents unexpected clipping later and makes the export predictable. Next, refine how the content appears by opening Page Setup and adjusting margins, and adding or editing headers and footers for titles or page numbers. Make a deliberate choice about printing grid lines and row or column headings. These change readability. Use print titles to repeat header rows on each page. After adjustments, go to File Print for a live preview. There you can tweak scaling and move page breaks until every page looks correct. To finish, choose File Save As and pick PDF, or go to File Print and select Microsoft Print to PDF. Then name the file and choose a folder. Make a conscious choice between standard higher quality and minimum smaller file. Verify page range and that comments or notes are included if needed. If something is missing after export, check the print area, reveal hidden rows or columns, and update external linked images. These common issues usually fix exported omissions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.